Like this one right
Hey,
here
Ben here with
is
Stu on
a
the one
lake.
we're going to
So
work with.
here's a whale of a tail.
And
So here's what happened. Can you see a whale in this? It would appear that a pixie muse who searched these with me saw a whale in this. And out of all of these pieces, I chose this one to carve into a spirit man. But I suppose there could possibly have been a whale in there. I don't know. Time to take a break. That's pretty heavy. So it would appear, as all the junkos attacked the feeder, that I carved a spirit man out of a whale. Hmm. This is one of the yearlings that was around here last year. Got kicked out. So, as soon as I posted the video yesterday, I get this phone call that said, "Oh my God, I was watching the video and you carved the whale." So I've got all of these pieces to pick from in the back of the car. We went back the very next day. So she left the whale and she said, "Oh no, I forgot my whale." We climbed up a little steep bank here. So we jumped in the car the next day, came back. I said, "Did you know where you put it?" And she said, "Yeah." Well, not really, maybe. So I had all these to choose from, and I picked this whale. And I guess there are two other. I'm told there are two other whales in the driftwood pile. So we get there, and it's like, oh look, next to this huge arrow pointing to this rock, underneath of this rock is the whale. How how did that happen? So I think it was all a plot to go back the next day because that's where we got all the stuff from. But I think it was all a setup. So I get showed this whale, and I'm like, "Yep, it looks like a whale, sure." As I'm searching through casually for pieces, I wanted to do one of the driftwood things, and who would have thought that the only one that looks like a whale, and the whale that caused all of this trouble, as in, oh my God, I forgot my whale. We didn't get my whale. My whale's not here. I've got all this wood available to me. I will take some pictures of basswood for you guys. And oh, by the way, Jordy's really not giving away carving wood. But so I guess the moral of the story is um, that's getting ready for gold gilding. Look at it closely to determine if there's something in there. So I guess there is a whale there. I might be able to put a tail on the spirit man. I have to look at it and see if the eye is still there. I think I put the beard around the other side. So there's the tail. There's the end result. And it's all in good fun. No whales were harmed in the filming of this. Hey, this has been Ben with Stew on the Lake. As always, I'd appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. I do enjoy reading the comments, and this is all great fun. So thanks again. This has been Ben with Studio on the Lake.